Okay. Hey, it's Terry Brown. I'm back with another video for you today. And man, I just like sharing information with people, thoughts, ideas, all that kind of stuff. And as you can see, the subject for this is live your life by design. Wouldn't that be a cool way to live your life? I mean, for the most part, living your life that way when you are in control as much as possible of your own destiny. Okay, live your life by design. Cash paid every day, easy 200 or more per day. And I love what Euripides said. He said, there is but one life for each of us, our own. And I've got a couple of probing questions I want to ask you. Are you building a life you truly desire? How would you like to build the life of your dreams? Just take just a moment to think about those questions. Are you building a life you truly desire? Maybe you haven't reached there yet, but are you building? Are you working towards that? How would you like to build the life of your dreams? Oh my goodness. I think that's just a powerful question. Gives us something to think about. Don't you agree? Okay. Now look, I just love this. When I get to thinking about things, I enjoy it so much. Okay. And look at this thought here. It's never too early to begin building your dream life. It's never too late either. Wow. You see that? Look, I wonder if you believe that. I certainly do. Okay. Now look at this. Building a life you truly desire is much easier than building a life you don't desire. How true is that? Okay. If you are open to an easier, low-cost way to make money online, check out the links in the description area of this video. Okay. And in closing this video, again, it's never too early to begin building your dream life. It's never too late either or either. All right. Okay. I'm Terry Brown. Wishing you a blessed, amazing, wonderful day today. Bye-bye now.